Alright, here's what's going on. We're at the second, we're going on a waterfall trip today. And we just arrived at the waterfall. So I'll put the camera, what's this waterfall called, Tessa?
This is Benang Kembala.
Benang Kembala. Alright, I'll put the camera in, have a look. These are nice, aren't they? You're not supposed to wear bikinis here. Oh, sorry. I put the camera back, didn't I? Yeah. And then we've got a pool behind us. So what are we going to do? We're going to get wet? Get in the waterfall?
Yeah, a little bit wet.
Alright. There's Anthony and Jenny over there. There's almost a bikini girl there. And you can see the mist coming off that fall there. Kind of cascades in this area down here. It looks really nice. Anyway, that's us at the
Benang Kembala it is.
Benang Kembala waterfall. There's actually one over there as well. Just over one, but sure you can see it through there. Yeah, there's another waterfall just there. Well, check it out. Alright, here's what's going on. We're at the first waterfall on our second waterfall tour. There's Kes in the background talking to our guide. That's Tony Blair. Tony Blair with Kessa. Anyway, I'll flip the camera around and have a look. Oh, look at that, eh? 3 waterfalls in one spot. Not too far from Kuta. Only an hour's ride. What do you reckon, Keza?
Awesome.
Awesome. Alright. Check it out.
Here's our roughest guts right down the hill to the waterfall. So it's a 5-minute walk. Bullshit, it's a 10-minute ride. Yeehaw!